This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Julie Swinger. Exquisite new construction now available in Olde Poplar, an upcoming gated community, on pristine property. This timeless modern farmhouse style hideaway has a design on a grand scale featuring an open floor plan, lots of light, and stunning finishes. The chef's kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances including a subzero fridge, wolf range, farm sink, and large walk-in pantry. Luxurious master en main with vaulted ceilings and beautiful wood beams includes a spa-like master bathroom suite and a large custom closet boasting natural light. Guest suite on main level. Second level boasts 2 BDRs, a spacious loft, and a large bonus room with wet bar great for entertaining. Open the back doors and enjoy your private back porch that overlooks the expansive backyard with mature trees. 3-car garage with porte-cochere. Unfinished basement brings so much opportunity to expand and custom design your space.